jump and bounce, bounce lang. Then slide forward. Maintain lang. Hands ko na lang. Now, kicks. Now, everything will be up to start. I tell you, I want to see it. One. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Isa pa. Running. Again, running. One. And five. Next. So one, two, go.
Peaceful.
Ganun.
Yan.
Hindi, doon
Doon lang nakaharap. Lagi nakaharap lang naman.
Hindi.
Doon ka lang lagi nakaharap. Doon ka lang lagi nakaharap.
Tingin dito.
Yan, tsaka lang lagi nakatingin. Bounce. Ready? Change foot. Yan. O, legs. Side your legs. Pati yung legs mo. Ganun lang.
Side mo yung body.
Yan, side.
Ano? Dito ka nakatingin.
Yan, ganyan lang lagi yung form back pati pag change foot. Ready? Change foot. Yan, pagkita na. Ready? Bounce. Side lang. Bounce. Change foot. Yan, proper form na. Bounce. Change foot. Okay, next. Dagdagan natin. Diyan lang maintain lang. Diyan ka na. Balik lang sa position mo. Change foot. Balik lang doon. Balik. Yan. Side your body. Yan. Now, nadagdagan natin. We're going to add slide forward. Okay? Si slide forward, ipupush nyo yung back leg nyo pa forward. So, ganito. Push. Okay? Hindi ganito ha. Ito, tingnan nyo. Ang mali na iba ganito ginagawa nila. Para maka-forward sila. Kapa. Ganito. Balik yun. Push. Para mas mabilis. Push. Push with your back leg. Yan. Wag na wag nyo i-close yung legs nyo ha. Kasi once na-close yung legs, ito mangyayari. Try mo na, kahit isipan mo. Ha? Hindi mo siya kailangan niya pag ganito ginagawa mo. Di ba? Hindi mo magsak mo. Control. Ready? Slide kick. So, yan. Taas mo pa. Talagang dyan, higher pa. 2. Yan. Ready? Bounce. 3. Yan. O, tapos yung other hand mo, tuck in inside lang lagi. Okay? Huwag mong i-open. Para kapag nag-blockings na tayo, mas madaling i-adjust. Okay? Shot lang. Okay, ready? 3. So, yung other hand mo, tuck it inside down muna. Ready? Bounce. 3. Yan, higher pa. Bounce. 4. Good job. Fast. Bounce. 1. Yan, bounce. 6. Yan, bounce. 7. Higher pa. Tapos straight body ka lang. Parang ganyan ka lang. Huwag mo na i-curl yun. Pag every time nasisipa ka, tigas ang mita. Tigas. Para yung body mo hindi gumaganto. Tigas ng tiyan para diretso lang yung sipa. Okay? Ready? 6. Yan po. Ganun ulit. Tigas dito, tigas ng tiyan. Tigas na katawan. Itong upper body mo tigas. Ready? 7. Tigas pa. Straight body na. Kumbaga parang katawan mo lagi. Yan. Parang lagi. Ready? 8. Yan. Nahila lang. Kamay na lang. Ready? 9. A little bit higher. 10. Higher pa. 11. Oh, nagbibend. Gumagano movement. Straight lang. Tigas. Yan. Tapos hands. Twist mo rin body mo. Ito shoulders papunta paharap. 1 pa. Okay? Ready? Huwag mo hayaan na gumaganto. Gumaganto pa na. Okay? Kaya na pinitan gumaganto kasi nakaiiwan mong twist. Walang twist. Okay? Ready? Go! Twist pa. Pati shoulders mo. Twist. Ache, ganyan. Okay? Ready? Go! Ready pa? Go! Hands. Takit inside. Kahit sumisipa ka, huwag mo i-open na gaganto. Dito lang lagi. Bounce. Dito lang lagi. Okay? Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Yan. Taas pa. Ready? Go! Yan. Ready? Bounce. Mag-shout ka. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-shout, mahihirapan ka. Higher. Down. 6. Bounce. 7. Bounce. Higher pa. 8. Go. Nagbibend na naman yung back mo. Go. Bounce. Change foot. Ready? Go. 1. Higher pa. Relax. 2. Tingnan mo. Ganito ginagawa ko na. Pinipili mo kasi. You're not twisting. You have to twist. Kailangan umikot ko. Kasi once na umikot ikaw. Bounce. 9. Ready? Bounce. 10. Kamay. Nag-open. Tuck it inside. 11. Bounce. 12. 13. Bounce. 14. Alright, it's okay. 15. Go. Para kang bakit na yan, huwag mo i-open. Huwag mo i-open kasi pag in-open mo yan, masasanay ka kahit nag-open. Pagkasipa mo, bumagan ka mo. Pero, hindi binigay mo yung body mo, na-sturon ka ba niya. Pero kapag nakabaking arm ka, beginner ka pa, muscle memory mo lagi na kaya matutumba. Okay? Ready? 1. Magaling mo na. Huwag ka na muna. 2. Sige, parang niyayakap mo lang muna sarili mo. Okay lang yan. Ready? 3. Open. Ready? Hindi ka matutumba. Promise, hindi ka matutumba. 5. Yan. Kunti ka na. Wow. 6. Ready? 7. Yan. Ganyan mo lang ito. 8. Ito ba ka? Hindi. Yan. Pag ina-open mo kasi siya, akala na kasi ganito yan. Ay, go. Kumbaga, ako naman ma'am, may mga private session naman. Same with this. Point mo, point. Go. Ako pwede ma'am, pero mas mahal. Gym na ma'am dito kasi. Marapit lang. Good job. 7. Bounce.
Stand in front.
8. So shock, first shock. Land in front, parang hindi out of balance. 9. Bounce. 10. Good job. Your hands na lang ha. Hands, close your hands. 11. Go. Bounce, bounce. Change foot. Change foot. Change foot. Slide forward. Slide backward. Slide forward. Slide backward. Ready, bounce, 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 bounce. Front kick, go 1. Good job. Bounce. Front kick 2. Bounce. Front kick 3. Good job. Front kick 4. Bounce. Change foot. Front kick, go 1. Front kick, go 2.
Stand in front.
Front kick, go 3. And then front down. And then front kick, go 4. Shout. Front kick, go 5. Change foot. Front kick, go 1. Only stick from the back muna tayo, ha? Ready? Again. Front kick, go 1. Nakalik ko naman kasi yung turn niya. Front leg na. Front kick. Pero guys, wala tayong other turn. Front kick, go 2. Slide backward.
Alam mo.
It's okay, it's okay. Bulitis na kayo. It's okay. I'll be here. It's here. Dito. Okay. Sorry, huwag na tama na. Sige ang lalaban. Okay. Now, medyo bumibilis na tayo. Relax lang. I told you, slow progress, pero dapat maganda ang progress natin. Para pag sumipa ng advance. Hoy, lapit ka. Here too far. Lapit pa. Out in is a close range kick. Pero mataas. So, ready? 6. Higher. Lapit ka pa. Here too far. Lapit ka pa. Huwag mo tamaan. Side your body pa. Ready? Go 7. Higher pa. Taas mo pa. Mataas. Go 8. Hands inside. Tingin ka pa rin sa partner. Lapit. Huwag mo siya tumayo. Don't need to go far. Lapit pa. Closer. Yan ganyan kalapit si out in. Go 9. Higher pa. Twist. You have to twist. Huwag mo hindi. Kaya ka nahihirapan sumipa kasi nag-iiwan yung body mo. Nag-iiwan to yung sipa mo. Ang hirap talaga yan. Pero once you twist your body, magiging mas madali. Huwag mo iwan yung shoulder. Ready? Go 1. Yan. Ready? 2. Huwag mo iwan yung shoulders mo. 3. Yan. Go. 3. Higher pa. 4. Higher pa. Binababaan mo. Taas mo pa. 5. Yan. Go 6. Yan. 7. Okay, change foot. Para hindi nakakapagod. Ikaw naman. Ready? Bounce. Go 4. Twist mo pa shoulders mo. Go. 5. Go bounce. Go 6. And higher pa. Go 7 bounce. 7. Yan. Good. 8. Yan. Bounce. 9. Again. Fighting stance. 9. Twist. And 10. Go. Change. Keep the holder. Okay. Go. Other leg naman tayo. Ready. Other leg naman. Ready. Fighting stance. Twist mo. Twist your body. Kasi pag hindi mo twist, ginagano mo lang. You have to twist. Ready. Go cross. And kick. Twist pa. You have to twist your body. Cross mo muna. Cross. Go cross. Cross muna. Already. 3, 2, angat. Mabilis na angat. Hindi mo pwede mabagal. Ready. Go. Twist. Cross and twist. Twist mo body mo. Already. Go. On your own. 3. Go. No. Huwag mo pigilan. Hayaan mo twist. Ipan. Relax mo lang. 2 tenths. Go. 2 tenths again. Go. It's okay. 2 tenths. Change mo na. Para anak. Go. Bounce. 7. Again, relax mo ulit. Bounce. Go 7. Bounce. Go 8. Yan, bounce. Tingin ka na sa kanya. Para pag malapit sa iyo, iwasan mo. Tingnan mo. Don't go on the yan. Ready? Go 9. Yan, bounce. 10. Okay, dito ligpad. 10. Higher pa, again, higher. 10, higher. Again, higher. Okay, go, higher. Input, go. Okay, good ulit. Bounce, 5. Wala sa baklas. Nabate. Bounce, bounce. 5. Higher pa, sige, bitin mo. Bounce. 6. Again, higher. 6. Okay. Bounce. 2. Twist pa, hindi ka na nag-twist ng body mo, kaya mababa. Let's bounce. Go 2. And bounce. 3. Again. Ready. Bounce. 3. Higher. And bounce. 4. Again. Bounce. Higher pa. Twist pa your body pa. Closer. Bounce. 4. Again. Kailangan may buwelo talaga siya. Ready, bounce. Go 4. Again. So, mapagod ka niya pag di mo ulit. 4. Kaya focus. Again. Kaya mo yan. Nagawa mo na kanina yan. Go 4. Yan, bounce. Focus ka lagi. Kasi uulit ka na niya pag nagkakapos. 5. Okay, again. 5. Stand. Go 5. Again. 5 stand. Focus 5. Taas mo pa. Higher pa. Go 5. Again. Ready. Sige. Go 6. Ready. Nangali na yung folder mo. Ready. Go. Bounce. Wait lang. Bounce na. Bounce. Go 7. Again. Eme, okay na. Go. Tayo. Sunod na yan. Shout. Mag-shout kayo every time you kick para mabilita kayo mag-inhale. Shout is in the same form. Kailangan. Go. Shout. Shout. Go, push. Go. Slide forward properly, ha? Slide forward properly. Don't close your legs. Don't close your legs, ha? Open legs lagi. Open legs. Go. Yeah. Sige na, tuloy. Open your legs. Yan, go close. Yan. Don't close your legs. Slide back. Go, push. Shout. Go. Go, forward. Go. Out in properly. Again, same body. Relax. Go, start. 1, 2. Then proper slide back. Go. Next. Relax lang, kahit napapagod. Relax. Control your mind. Go, jump. Focus lang. Go, again.